Okay, y'all. Subscribe, like, share, and follow. You see what I'm saying? We doing our little video for hair mask. She over here trying to, video block a boy. But for y'all ladies who got, what I'm saying, that little things can do for your hair. Y'all need to wrap your hairs up. You can wrap your hairs up too. Or you can also use it for a face mask. See what I'm saying? It's very good. You feel me? I'm gonna show y'all how to make them. And it's also pull. Sorry about that yet. Stop. It's also reversible. You don't know about that reversible. Sit down. Sit down. You're not about to be jumping in the screen. Somebody need a nap. Alright, y'all. My bad. I had to do the daddy thing. But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all how to make these face masks. You don't need no rubber band, you don't need none of that. All you need is a shirt. So here you go. I got one of my shirts that I liked a lot, but since the coronavirus, I got fat. So I can't wear it. Yes, coronavirus. I was not fat before the coronavirus. Was that? You said I was fat? You said I was fat before the coronavirus. Huh? We be eating a lot. So what you saying? You said I was already fat? All right, y'all. I got somebody telling me other things that I just did not know. So you take your shirt and you go to the sleeve. And you take you some nice good scissors.
Yo.
And you take your shirt.
Bro.
And you cut it right where the line is.
Don't laugh at my hair.
Just like this.
Yeah. I heard that ambulance, so I knew you home.
Cut it, cut it, cut it. Cut it right across the line of the shirt. Make sure you cut it perfect and right. After you cut it, that's what it looks like this. Then you take it, put it over your head. It's like that, around your neck, like a scarf. Feel me? Then you take it and make sure both lines that you cut it from is on the side. Then put it over your ears and your nose, just like that. So now you have a homemade face mask that don't cost you nothing but an old shirt. Or even if you got a good shirt that you want to make it, design it. Coogee, Gucci, Louis, Fendi, whatever shirt you got, you just want to use a sleeve. If you got a design on it, you can use it like that. But let me tell you though, so I do like this, right? Put it up, take it around, leave the side that's like this on the side of your face. Watch out, Poop. Put it on.
Over here making face masks and shit. Big man sleep. Oh my God, I ain't got no drawers.
Do this like this.
No, I got drawers over here recording.
See what I'm saying?
Just one camera.
Yeah. You want to style it up a little bit.
Well, let me put some
You put your little fitted hat on. You know what I'm saying? So you look like a G. You know what I'm saying? So you go outside or whatnot, it's cold. You got your, you know what I'm saying? Bam. Ain't no corona getting us. And y'all like this, share it, follow it, you know what I'm saying? Do your thing. It's very helpful. If it's helpful, man, give the thumbs up. Easy as 1, 2, 3. You feel me? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. I cut. Y'all like, subscribe. Tell me what y'all think. Comment below. Like I said, if it's helpful, leave a comment. If it's not helpful, still leave a comment and tell me what I should do next. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to do more ideas for y'all so y'all can be safe for the coronavirus. We love y'all. Share, follow, like, hit that thumbs button. Please hit the thumbs button and also hit that bell. Please leave that bell for us. You know what I'm saying? We love y'all. Peace.